There's two things I'll add to this video up front that will help prevent callouts. One is changing the air filter at least every 6 months, and then the other is vacuuming out the condensate drain lines ahead of the AC season. These will prevent the majority of your callouts along with what is shown in today's video. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay, the journey continues a bit later in the day. I got 6 more on this particular roof and hoping to get through them. I've got one of them running right now, so I'll hold off for that one until that particular one I've definitely gone many rounds with that I remember as well. It is what it is. Let's take a look here. We've got our disconnect pole to go ahead and discharge it. It's like a 35 and a 5. Original contactor, it looks in good shape. All the wiring looks reasonable. Got a little dent in the capacitor. Grab our meter, take a look. Part of me is debating whether to change these all to Titan Pros or microfarads, 0.032. We got another bad one. Look at that. And then here's the 5. 5 is weak, 3.93. It's jumping around. 4.83. There it is. It's okay. But the other capacitor is bad. Wow. I'll test the good one. We got 35 and a 5. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this 5 as well, and that way this is all Titan Pro, and I'll save the other 5. Something else. Let's see, let's open up the Titan Pro, and this is a 35, just to show that it's not my meter that's bad. Oops. 34.47, so it's good. Again, I'm not charging people for parts. I'm in building maintenance, so it's a little bit different. 4.99. Okay. Eager to have a good year. A little weak. Oh, we're missing a wire connection on the other side. This wire cap get off. Has no threads. Let's see if I have one in my bag. We usually have those. Not today though. Oh, here's one. Here. Okay. All right. So here's our 35. Go with the start wire and one leg of the hard start kit. On the opposite side, got common with one leg of the hard start kit. Fan lead and the common. There we go. All in. Everything else looks good. We got our bad capacitor. It's just a good thing we're doing this. So I'll plug my disconnect back in and we'll test it. All set there. A little trash I can clean up here. Alright. That one's done. Put the cover back on. One less AC to give us trouble in the summer. And that would have been the call out. The next time the AC was turned on, it wasn't going to work. Alright. There we go. And on to the next one. This one's running, so I can either come back to it or I can pull it either way. I guess I'll pull it. Okay, I've got about 45 minutes. I don't know if I'll make it. Maybe got about 40 minutes. I don't know if I want to make it through everything on this roof, but I'll try. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to try to move pretty quickly. This unit's cooling good. That's good. I've had a lot of trouble with this. I remember I replaced the indoor blower motor. Replaced everything here a few times. So we got a 40/5. Again, it's not written inside, but I'm going to write it now. And discharge the capacitor. The capacitor holds a charge in it, even after the power is disconnected. 40/5. Wiring looks nice and clean. Everything looks good there. Contactor's pulled in as it's calling for heat. Here's our commons. And a fan. Okay. So we're on microfarad test. I'm going to go common to Herm. Keep hitting the hold button by accident. 38.89, so it's good. Common to fan. 4.88, so it's good too. Okay, it's good. Here's our common. Here's our Herm. That's the hard start kit. There's the Herm. There's the fan. And then here's our commons. There we go. All set there. And this one's already turned on, so once I plug the disconnect back in, we'll know it's working. There we go. All right. Plug the disconnect back in. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes, so it's good. Started right up. All right. This set's done, and we're on to the next ones. Okay. I got a little one here. Okay, go ahead and pull the disconnects. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
There's a coming day when all this will fade. But until then, we walk in a nice home. Forgiveness of love. We came to save and give life. I will not live under your tyranny. Your oppression, your obsession is not from above. It's oppression, it's thievery. There's a coming day when all will stand, give an account